Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Arian and you guys are watching Finance Career. I'm doing this video from Rome, Italy, and in this specific video we're going to be reviewing another venture capital that have invested tremendous amount of money in blockchain and cryptocurrency. Now this specific venture capital have invested in over 57 different projects. Out of these 57 different projects, 12 has been either acquired or have been listed on this cryptocurrency exchange. I'm talking about Fenbushi Capital, where one of the actual advisors is Vitalik Buterin, which is one of the co-founders of Ethereum. So if you guys are looking for another alternative or investing in altcoin, rather than literally just doing this and looking for what is the next cryptocurrency, one of the best way to obviously to filter the bad actors, obviously to look what other venture capital are investing, and then maybe you can obviously filter from it and invest in what you think has a great potential. So let's start. Now before we start, I actually want to show you something super cool. If you go to Coinmarketcap and literally click on categories, you also have some venture capital, their portfolio that has been listed on cryptocurrency exchanges. So now we're looking at the venture capital Fenbushi Capital portfolio token by market cap capitalization. So if you can see here, they have invested in Polkadot, Vechain, EOS, Zcash, Siakon, Reapure Credit, Factom, 10x, and Tierion that has a market cap but is not listed on Coinmarketcap. Alright, so let's go first on their website. So as you can see, they have a lot of different projects. Some of it you already probably heard about, some of it are more tailored to institutional, B2B, maybe B2G, so basically to our government. Not really new. So this is just for my brief review on their investment. But yeah, so out of these 57 different projects, I actually selected the following. Now some of those projects will probably not even gonna have a token, so I also need to take that in consideration. So one of them I actually thought was kind of cool. It's a project called CoinFlex, where they actually seem to have trying to create an exchange, a platform you can actually get interest for a stable coin. What else do they do? They do also future, spread, repo. So they actually seem to be trying to provide a one-spot platform or one-spot marketplace where you can actually come and hold your cryptocurrency, and obviously if you hold in stablecoin you get an interest, trade if you want to trade, leverage you want to use leverage. So obviously you have this option to do physical delivery, virtual contract. So this is something kind of interesting, and I think this is obviously can be very lucrative. Another platform, another project I thought was kind of cool is a platform called Edge. So basically they create a solution where you can actually hold all your cryptocurrency, the majority of cryptocurrency, in one place. Now back in the days, if you look at 2017, 2018, you literally need to hold your cryptocurrency, if it's Bitcoin, if it's XRP, Dash, Litecoin, Neo, Ontology, all these other coins are not native to Ethereum or not native to Bitcoin, were very difficult to find a spot you can actually hold and store those cryptocurrencies. So having a company like Edge, they're literally trying to onboard many different projects and blockchain into their wallet. It's kind of promising, but again, I do not understand how us as a retail we can make money out of it, and it doesn't seem like they're ever gonna have a token. But still, I thought it was kind of interesting what this project is doing. Now another company that has skyrocketed called Factom. So Factom is a decentralized publication protocol for building record systems that are immutable and independently verifiable. So basically this is what I'm trying to do. If I'm being honest, I do not understand this sector. I think if you look at 2016, 2017, this probably sound like $1 million, like something that can skyrocket enormously. But again, I do not understand anything to do with publication, so for me as a person I don't see the value, but because it's listed, because it skyrocketed quite a lot, I thought it would be quite interesting to look at Factom. So let's look at Factom or FCT price range. So currently it has a $17 or $80 million. If you look here at January 2018, it was rated at almost 80 something dollars. So we're now currently at, I think, 97, or let's see, 97% from the all-time high, which happened 3 years ago. And so yeah, so this is something for you guys to consider. So again, if you really think this project can really be successful, so obviously you can invest, I don't know, small amount of money, and if you go from from $2 to $80, we're looking at 40 times return. Alright, another project I wanted to look at is a project called Kusama. So what is Kusama? Kusama is a scalable network of specialized blockchain built using Substrate and nearly the same code base as Polkadot. The network is experimental development environment for a team who want to move fast and innovate on Kusama or prepare for deployment of Polkadot. Kusama was founded in 2018 by Gavin Wood, founder of Polkadot and co-founder of former CTO of Ethereum. So this is obviously, it's a very good sign. Anyone that has basically touched Ethereum and tried to open a new blockchain, you obviously want to have some of those tokens just in case this project will overtake Ethereum or even Cardano, for example. Now, if you want to compare Polkadot and to other and Kusama, maybe you should look at Bitcoin and Litecoin. So Litecoin has been created for the purpose of doing some testing environment and also just to do an experiment. And I think they wanted to create a platform where people can scale maybe their product or their project to Kusama and then maybe move forward to Polkadot. So I think this is a concept, and again, Kusama has been quite popular over the past year and really skyrocketed a lot, and obviously Polkadot has been moving quite a lot. So this has a market cap of $3 billion. Now if you look at the price metrics, so let's look here. So the all-time high was 2 weeks ago, which reached 623. If you look at all-time low, which was a year ago, since then we look at 39% growth from 91 cents to $623. This is why I'm doing these videos, for you guys to find this gem. Again, it's a bit too late, but obviously I'm trying to bring you guys every week. Going over different projects, and obviously the more I do it, the more likely we're going to come across some new projects that are still in the early stage. And obviously if you believe in this project, it give you a great opportunity to invest a small amount of money and just wait for the return. So in theory, if you were to invest, if you were to buy with $10 back in the days, if it was just valued at $1, your $10 that would be worth $3,600. This is, for me, it's a win-win situation. Again, we cannot go back in time, we can just move forward. So the next project I thought was kind of cool is a project called Mykey. So secure and handy smart wallet, and anyone can get started easily, best experience on DeFi. So from what I'm understanding is they're trying to maybe make all the DeFi platform more accessible on mobile. If you want to trade on Uniswap or one of those platforms, you need to do it from a desktop or laptop, for example. Having a phone that is compatible or maybe integrate with different DeFi platforms might be interesting to certain aspects, to certain people. Again, I don't see how you can actually participate or actually invest in this company, but I thought this is a company that you should probably follow them and see what might happen moving forward. So this project actually only chosen because they are related to gaming industry, and also we had 2021, we had all this NFT movement. So I thought this can be quite interesting if they're able to create a new, an exciting project or an exciting NFT card or whatever it's gonna be. I thought this can be quite interesting to follow them and see what they're going to create moving forward. Now, another project I thought was kind of interesting is a project called Tierion. Now, this project has dropped quite a lot. If you look here at the price metric, so Tierion, let's see here. Sorry, my bad. So Tierion, all-time high was 3 years ago, which also went down since then by 97% from the all-time high. And all-time low was 5 months ago, so since then it had a 530% gain, and currently we're looking at 0.01. all-time high was 38 cents, so we're looking at potentially was 15x return if this project will really survive and has something to deliver. Now, what this project do? So basically, from what they're saying is simplify trust. So people proof make it simple to have complete confidence in your data. So common use case: audit trail for business process, document timestamp, blockchain verifiable credential, IoT data integrity and provenance data integrity. So basically they are targeting literally accounting and a company that has a lot of documentation and compliance. They're targeting literally the institutional, basically big corporate company to obviously use the product. Again, the fact the price went down in the past 3 years to 97%, it does really mean that this company maybe wasn't so successful. Unless they're gonna have maybe a new CEO, a new partnership or marketing strategy, that's maybe the only way for this project to really go up and really skyrocket in price wise. Now, the last project I actually want to check is Vechain. So Vechain has been around for quite some time and currently has a very big market cap. Now, to go now all in on this project, probably not advisable, because again, this project is high skyrocket quite a lot. We're looking at $7.7 billion of market cap on this project, and the all-time high for this project was, if you look here, was 2 months ago when it reached 27 cents, and now we're looking at 56% lower from the all-time high. Now, if you look at the lowest price, which was a year ago, since then we have a 7,000% gain. So again, this is obviously kind of exciting. Obviously, if this project is going to have a lower entry point, you really believe in this project, this is obviously something for you guys to consider. Let's see what does Vechain does. So Vechain does many things. So obviously they have actually made a lot of change on the website. They're targeting enterprise, so they are dealing or supplying solutions in regard to supply chain. So basically, if you need to move your warehouse, so if you need to move your goods from location A to location B, you need to be able to track it within some specific chip to measure the temperature, or to know that your goods that are being sold to you are legit. This is the solution that will provide you. Now, they have something called vehicle passport, digital carbon ecosystem. So again, they actually are targeting a lot of enterprises from different aspects. They have very strong partnership. They're also based in Asia. They have also very strong collaboration with the local government. So I think from this aspect, this company has really proven itself over the year that they're actually able to deliver and also to bring value in business. And whoever uses services actually need to buy, in a way, to need to stake their token. And there's Vechain and obviously Vechain Tor. So that's how the ecosystem works. Now, this is a portfolio of Fenbushi Capital. Do I think this is the best venture capital performance? Definitely not. I've seen better, we've seen better, and based on the ratio they have, from what I remember, they have, I think, was it 1 out of 5 of the projects they have invested went public in a way or has been acquired. From our aspect, this is not very good, or it's not good enough, but still they have found some interesting projects that are quite exciting. Now, I'm going to look for obviously more and more different venture capital. I'm going to try to cover, and obviously you can add all this venture capital that I'm covering in this specific YouTube channel, and then try to go every week or every few days to see if they have invested in a new project. And then once you see a new project, just do as soon as possible your research, and if you like it, follow them on Twitter, and obviously if and when they go on exchange, you can obviously acquire some. And then with time, once you feel more comfortable with the project and their delivery and execution, you can then buy more. So that's it for today. Until next time, bye bye.